Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online for self-employed income tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. Log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the gear icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the drop-down menu, choose Account and Settings. Click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Click on Transactions to access your income and expense records. Select Add Transaction to record a new income entry. Fill in the date of the income received in the Date field. Next, enter the amount in the Amount section. For the category, choose an appropriate income category that reflects the nature of your earnings. You can add a description for quick reference if needed. Once all details are entered, click on Save to confirm the transaction. To track your income efficiently, set up recurring transactions for regular income sources. Return to the Transactions menu and select Recurring Transactions. Click New and select the type of transaction you want to set up. Fill in the necessary details, including the frequency, amount, and description. Save the recurring transaction to automate your income tracking. Next, set up a bank account connection for seamless tracking. Navigate to the Banking tab on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Link Account to connect your bank or credit card accounts. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details and give permission for tracking. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically import transactions. Review and categorize any imported transactions promptly. Monitor your income by generating reports through the Reports section on the left panel. Select Income and Expenses to view your overall earnings and spending. Regularly review these reports to maintain a clear understanding of your financial status. Check your dashboard periodically for an overview of your income tracking. Lastly, remember to reconcile your accounts monthly for accuracy. Implementing these steps will ensure effective tracking of your self-employed income in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.